Moda&Styling Chrome Series. As head of Elgon's product testing, I'm always tackling new challenges. At last, I can pick up the toners from the lab to test the color effect. Will they be up for the job? Char is excited about trying them out. First, I put on my gloves and I use a glam technique to test several colors. Then, I divide hair into 4 sections and create diagonals for a diamond shape, dividing the head into 3 sections. Then I weigh 10 volumes of peroxide with color and prepare 3 mixes. The first section at the edge is applied with the blue 911 mixture. For the middle section, I use red 955 and wrap with foil to protect the work. In the last section, I apply the previous red mixture on the roots and a new mix of violet 977 on the rest of the lengths. After 20 minutes, I rinse off the color. The results are just as expected, and the product gets a thumbs up. I'm proud to have found a way to get the most out of this formula. Now, every hairdresser will be able to create new color services through a product that is effective, gentle, and safe. Moda&Styling.